A new Kiwi Ears Belle just landed on my desk, the Kiwi Ears Belle. It's coming in at around $30, which is an absolutely brutal price point. You have to do something special to stand out in this part of the market. The big question is obvious. Does the Belle have what it takes? I spent the last few days with these in my ears, and there's a lot to talk about. From the driver tech to the sound signature, this one feels like it's punching way above its weight. Let's see if the Kiwi Ears Belle is just another budget IEM or something genuinely impressive. First impression, these are tiny. If you've ever found other IEM shells a bit on the large side, you'll be happy here. The design is simple and clean with a clear resin shell and a CNC-machined metal faceplate that adds a nice durable feel. It's a familiar look, but the execution is solid. They look good, feel super light, and are comfortable for long listening sessions. The cable is a pleasant surprise. A lot of budget sets skimp here, but this is a definite step up. It's a nice, soft cable that feels good, has a working chin slider, and uses a standard flush 2-pin connector, making cable swaps easy. Honestly, for a $30 IEM, getting a cable this decent is a huge plus. Inside, the Kiwi Ears Belle is rocking a custom-tuned 10mm diamond-like carbon DLC dynamic driver. DLC drivers are known for being fast and controlled, and you can hear that here. The overall sound signature is balanced and mature. It leans towards the warmer side, making it super smooth and easy to listen to. No harshness or sibilance to be found even when you crank the volume. The bass has some nice sub-bass extension, giving you a bit of rumble without being a full-on bass head IEM. What I appreciate is the extra presence in the upper bass and lower mids. This gives male vocals and instruments like cellos and acoustic guitars a really rich, full-bodied sound. It's got a great rhythmic quality without any noticeable bloat bleeding into the mids. The mid-range can feel a little different depending on the track. On some complex songs, it can come across as slightly recessed or U-shaped, which might make some vocals sound a little distant, but for the most part, it's a cohesive and engaging sound. Treble is where things get interesting. It's very smooth. If you're sensitive to high frequencies, you'll probably love the Belle. Personally, I would have liked a little more energy and sparkle up top. That said, the detail retrieval is surprisingly good for the price. It's not going to beat out more analytical sets, but it creates a musical, non-fatiguing listen that you can enjoy for hours. So how does the Kiwi Ears Belle stack up in this crowded market? A lot of budget IEMs go for a really aggressive V-shaped sound. Tons of bass, tons of treble, and not much in between. It can be exciting, but also a little raw and fatiguing. The Kiwi Ears Belle goes a different route. It's much more refined and mature. Instead of just raw excitement, you get a smoother, more cohesive listen that feels more balanced. It's a different philosophy, and for many people, it's a lot more enjoyable for long sessions. For just $30, the value here is insane. You're getting a well-built IEM with a good cable and a surprisingly mature tuning. It's a great all-rounder for pop, hip-hop, and vocal-centric music. So, is the Kiwi Ears Belle a must-buy? It's a really strong contender. It's a fun, engaging set that I think is a solid choice for anyone looking for great sound without breaking the bank. It's definitely earned a spot in my budget rotation. This might be one of the best all-around options under $50 right now. What do you think?